guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Today we're in Lakewood Heights. We're only minutes away from North Park Mall. We're about even 5 minutes to SMU and 10 minutes to downtown Dallas. But Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2025. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,176 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,175,000, which is $370 price per square foot. And it's sitting on a 0.08 acre lot, which is roughly 3,500 square feet.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. Now, guys, I want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that is Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're also part of the #1 luxury broker in town, Ali Beth Alman and Associates. So with all that being said, let's go check out this home.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market, where we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on the link down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.